Isn't so pretty?
I don't understand why you're thinking of. You've had me at a low. I don't understand why you're thinking of. You've had me at a low. I don't understand why you're thinking of.
What's up guys? How are you all doing? I got a little unboxing to do. So I bought myself some stuff. Okay, let's go. Okay, I got myself this ring light thingy. To be fair, I wanted to get this ring light thingy for quite a while back, but I didn't thought I need it. And then, since I'm so-called using TikTok now, so this is the parcel. I got myself a ring light. Oh, sorry. Let's go. See, this is the tripod. Okay. Ooh, cool. This must be the ring. We have the ring light. So comes with, this is for the phone holder, I guess. Truth. Ooh, it's blue. Let's see. This is so interesting. Ooh. This is so cool, guys. Let's switch. This is so pretty. It's like 3 colors. So look what I got. Flowers. So long that I received flowers from my boyfriend. So long. Did believe him? So here it is. Appreciate it so much. It's the little thing that matters. From Bloom this. And as you can see, it's so nice to receive flowers. It's just little things that makes a girl happy. I know my vlog has been like all over the place because I shoot a bit and I don't shoot, I shoot a bit and I don't shoot, and ignore my itchy skin. So I got a lot of things to do today, and I think for lunch I'll just food panda some lunchy, and these flowers should stay here at my desk while I work.
I will never forget the day where I was like, ew, TikTok. Ew! Ew! I will never be on that app because it makes no sense. Look at me now!